Hello everyone, Ray the Tax Guy here, back with another video, and in this one we're going to go over how to make an appointment really quick, really easy for services using the website. So the first thing you want to do is go over to the website, the ARAGS government website, and you'll see on the top right where it says request a consultation. You click on that, and then it will automatically take you to the calendar, right? So basically you select the calendar date, and then on that date you can set up the time that you want to sit down and talk. That way it's easier to make the appointment instead of calling and emailing and going back and forth. This syncs right with my calendar, so it shows you all the available slots. I have plenty. Also work on the weekends, so you can always make an appointment on the weekends during tax season. You can also access this from your phone. So it's not just on the computer. You can go online and it works the same way. So if you're on the go, you have things to do. Hey, I need to talk to them about something. Boom, you go on the website and it easy to make the appointment and easy to schedule some time to talk about your tax prep. So that was it. Really quick video. Just wanted to show you this feature on the website so that way you can take advantage of it. If you have any questions, obviously give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email. But if you do want to kind of talk a little bit more about your taxes, this is the best way to do it. Thanks again for stopping by the channel. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And as always, I look forward to seeing you in the next one.